So we authentically built the camper around the bed. So when we were looking for different manufacturers, different people to help us make mattresses, we were really just kind of going to school on all the different like types of materials, types of mattresses. When we were talking to these different mattress companies and talking about the use case, right?
Yep.
Outdoor, hot weather, cold weather, all those different scenarios. One of them was like, well, he's been looking at POE. I was like, I don't know what that is. Right. So they introduced us to this new type of mattress. It's completely hypoallergenic. It lets air pass through. Okay. So when it's hot in summer, this lets you breathe. When it's cool in winter, this like helps you like actually like warm the space around you. They've done like all these studies out of University of Florida that like sleep's actually better on this type of mattress because you don't like sink in. And then we partnered that with the Froley Sleep Grid. And what this gives you is a firm kind of spring with a soft cushion.
Gotcha.
So we've actually had customers come in at our old facility where you walked into the office first, lay down on the mattress and are like, oh, I'm done.
Right.
This is it. So then this is our full stack. Basically what we call is we have a 4-inch sleep stack, some of which is the grid, some of which is the mattress. The mattress is now completely lifted off of the platform, so you get airflow. We can actually duct the climate. Like if you look at like a wave, we can actually duct that through the sleep grid, which means that the unit would be warming or cooling your bed first.
That's cool.
It's pretty rad.
And still would obviously warm the entirety of the space, but
it's just using this as like your AC duct. So this is like when we talked about like what Hardsider is, it's this, and then the camper is then built around it.
Gotcha. So the main focus was how comfortable of a rest can I get when I'm out in the wilderness?
Exactly.
And then everything around it to make it even better.
Exactly.
So the like, hard siding to reduce noise and weather intrusion and all that.
Exactly.
Very cool.
You're ready to like actually enjoy this ridiculously like difficult place that you've like worked hard to get to.
Right.
And like have that good sleep.
Absolutely.
So this is what everything is based off of.
Are you guys manufacturing the covers and stuff, or is this going to be a one piece coming from?
This is all
because I know this stuff is.
We don't make this.
Yeah, this
is our whole mattress.
Okay. Just turn around, Enoch.
There we go. So it's got the little tag and everything.
Nice.
So
this feels great, by the way. I like
this was like a combination. Like we wanted something that wasn't going to be slippery when you're moving around. And then also, this is the wild part. This cover is removable and machine washable, and this you can actually wash with a hose.
Oh wow. That's awesome.
This varies, but like it's important to us and how we're machining this, like machining like the whole company. This is one monomer, which means this is recyclable. So we have a recyclable mattress that we're using as well, which is pretty rad.
I like that a lot.
Yeah.
I like that a lot. Anywhere that you can make things reusable, why not do it?
Yeah, exactly.